You've got a case of the hiccups.
I got some hiccups.
If you think about like trying to force a hiccup, then your hiccups stop. And I've
Exactly.
had the hiccups.
Bear with me here. I have a horrible case of the hiccups.
Hey Simon. Dude, today was
I think I have hiccups, Simon. Simon.
No.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't feel too well.
Don't say that. You're gonna make it.
This might be the end.
No.
Run, Simon.
Yeah, Carter?
Hey man, I heard your parents just died. That's really sad, dude.
Yeah, they did.
Hey, but you should go stock up on groceries.
Yeah.
So you can live.
I think I need to go stock up. Yeah, on groceries.
Yeah, that's what I said, idiot.
Alright, thanks, man. Yeah, Carter. I think I'll be able to survive. I got everything I kind of need.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, it's been a lot of money.